Hi and welcome back to Hitchcocks with me, Derek, and today we're going to be talking about the fabulous new Royal Enfield touring seats, which are now available for both the 650 twins, the Himalayan and the UCE engined motorcycles. Some fabulous new technology. It's a 3D mesh technology which gives a number of benefits to the rider. I know looking at this it looks like a standard seat, but all of the clever stuff is underneath the seat. So without further ado, let's take the cover off and I'll show you what's lurking inside. So a standard squab there, but underneath, what they've incorporated into it is this new 3D mesh technology. And what this is giving you are two distinct panels within the saddle, which give you a much cooler area to sit on, which is fabulous if you're spending long times in the saddle. Give you unprecedented levels of comfort. It's much softer to sit on, but very cool to sit on too. I think one of the best benefits I've seen with this saddle is the fact that it helps to reduce vibration. It helps you to spread the rider weight across the seat, but also it's absorbing that vibration, so you're getting a much more comfortable ride with the bike. We've now completed some thorough testing on this. A number of the guys have ridden the bike here. We've got some big miles on the bike and everybody has been absolutely astounded by how comfortable this seat is. The link is in the description for more details. So happy riding, thank you.